Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Farm and Form. As you know, in Farm and Form, we are discussing about tablet granulation, methods of tablet granulation. In the last video, we discussed different types of granulation, which include wet granulation, dry granulation. We also discussed about dry compression. A brief overview we discussed in last video. Now we will start detailed lectures on the each type of granulation, including wet granulation, dry granulation, and the third method used for manufacturing of tablet, which is direct compression. So if you had not seen last video, you can watch it. The link is given in the description. Now today we will start wet granulation. Wet granulation, basically we will discuss steps of wet granulation. In the last video we learned about wet granulation. What is wet granulation? A brief overview is that wet granulation is the process or type of the granulation in which we convert fine powders into agglomerates or granules by using solvent. We use wet granulation method for those products which are not degraded by the heat or the moisture. So we use wet granulation method for those products. Now today we will discuss different steps of the wet granulation. Wet granulation is a multi-step process and it includes following steps. First step is weighing. Second step is sieving. Third step is pre-mixing. Fourth step is kneading. Kneading is also known as wetting. Fourth step is kneading. Fifth step is basically fourth step kneading has two subparts. One is preparation of binder and other is addition of binder. So fourth part, which is most important part of granulation, is divided into two parts: preparation of binder and addition of binder. Fifth step is sieving of wet mass. Sieving of wet mass. Sixth step is drying of wet mass. Drying of wet mass. Seventh step is sieving of dried mass. And the last step is, which is eighth step, final mixing. Or blending. So we have 8 steps in wet granulation, namely weighing, sieving, pre-mixing, kneading, sieving of wet mass, drying of wet mass, sieving of dried mass, and final mixing or blending. We will discuss each step in detail. Each and every step is very critical and important. in wet granulation. So we will discuss different aspects of the granulation, impact of or different factors which influence on the granules on each stage. In this video, we have only learned about steps of wet granulation. You can remember easily in the simple way. First step is weighing, second step is sieving, third is pre-mixing, fourth is kneading or addition of binder. As we add solvent in this step, so the next step will be sieving of wet mass. In the kneading step, we have faced sometimes large lumps. So to break down those large lumps, we use next step sieving of wet mass. In the next step, we use heat or drying process to remove the solvent from the granules or wet mass. In the next step, we sieve our dried product from a proper mesh, and in the last step we have final mixing step. It was a basic overview. In the next video, we will start from the first step, weighing. We will discuss what is weighing, procedure of weighing, importance of weighing, and in this way we will discuss all the steps. Hope you can easily understand from this video the basic concepts. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comments. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with others. For the next video, Allah Hafiz.